Hello everyone, I'm Yating Chen. My major in UT Austin is Cellular and Molecular Biology, and I graduate at the end, I think December 2018 from Dr. Sullivan's lab. My major is cellular microbiology there. And after that, I did several months postdoc there, and I found this current position in Ultragenyx. I'm now the scientist one in QC molecular biology in Ultragenyx Gene Therapy. I think the most interesting project I have had in Ultragenyx is about method validation. It's kind of a bridging the qPCR and the ddPCR. For that project, I feel like I learned a lot since previously I only had experience in university, in academic, and that's the first chance for me to learn a lot of QC stuff in industry. And that one first, I still need to use my skill set to design the experiment and also design the whole project. And the second part is a lot of documentation. At the beginning, you will feel like, oh my God, it's so much like writing things, but that's good. It's a really good learning process. And finally, you need to do a lot of data analysis. That is the most key point I learned from that project from QC is like, you need to standardize your stuff. You don't want to in lab, in university, you can say, I can do this, but other people may not can be able to repeat exactly as you did. But in QC industry, you have to make sure that all the SOP, all the criteria set there can be repeated by anyone others, like even the high school. So that's really nice to learn a lot, like QC industry policies, compliance there. Yeah. I think the most important thing is a logic thinking, critical thinking. That is, I would say, if there's only one important thing I learned from PhD, that's it. So all the time you need to use the logic to handle problems, to do the troubleshooting, everything. That's what the industry needs. And the second part is still the technique skills, like all the experiment you did the same as you did in the university. But that's not a big challenge, but it's the same. You just need to make it to be standardized, like every people can understand your SOP. And the third part, I would really thank my supervisor, Dr. Chris Sullivan. He taught me a lot about the skill, how to make a very good presentation. And I use those skills for my usual, daily communication with my colleagues. Yeah, from during my PhD, I remember I need to handle several projects at the same time. And I think that's really helpful. So now we still sometimes you still need to handle several projects at the same time, but it's collaboration. It's not like yourself. You did all the things, but in the past, like almost ordering stuff, and also doing design experiment, doing an experiment, and finally got the result, do the data analysis is all by you. So that's really good. But so it's like give me the feel like now it's less pressure there. So yeah, that's what I got. Yeah. I think the best advice I would have is to, just try to advertise yourself, is like translate your skill set into some language all people can understand. Don't talk about I discovered some molecular can promote cell blah blah blah. Don't talk in that way, because people will not care about what your molecular is, but they really care about how you handle your project and handle the problem when you encounter the problem. So yeah, that's a good advice. And also just try, and each time you try, to do your 100% effort to try, not just like throw out your resumes on the website. Yeah. Another advice is like try to use examples to illustrate you have such quality. Don't just say like I'm a people like work hard or like really smart or something. Just use some example, let them to really understand what kind of person you are.